If you talk about the display, the Samsung Galaxy M40 has a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display. The Galaxy M40 has a pretty great screen. In most scenarios, you will not miss the AMOLED screen. Looks-wise, the phone looks great. The one we have is a midnight blue color variant, but this also has an ocean blue color option. And if you're looking to buy this device, I really urge you guys to go check that out. It looks absolutely gorgeous. The grip on the phone is pretty comfortable, so you won't be worried about slipping the phone out of your hands. Now, if you talk about the camera of the Galaxy M40, which everybody wants to know about, this has a triple rear camera setup. Yes, so इसमें आपको मिलेगा एक 32 + 8 + 5 मेगापिक्सल सेंसर का सेटअप रियर पे, और selfies के लिए there is a 16 megapixel sensor. Whenever we switch on the front camera of the Galaxy M40, you see a little animation ring around the front camera, and I think it's really thoughtful and really interesting. Galaxy M40 आपको videos record करने देता है 1080p at 30 fps. I use the super slow-mo mode in the Galaxy M40, and that I really enjoyed. The phone does really well, gets really good details. I was using a phone for a bunch of days and I did not find the phone lagging anytime. जब आप app switch करते हैं, it's pretty smooth. I played a bunch of games on this phone, like the Need for Speed, Asphalt 9, and the performance with all these games are pretty great. मेरे को कभी भी frame drops का issue नहीं लगा, phone lag नहीं कर रहा था. When I talk about the software, the Galaxy M40 runs Android Pie. और ये यूज़ करता है One UI, जो कि Samsung का अपना यूज़र एक्सपीरियंस है. इसके अंदर आपको डार्क मोड मिलेगा, so everybody who's going gaga about the dark theme, you will get that on the Galaxy M40, like many other Galaxy phones. And आपको इसके अंदर और थोड़े बहुत tweaks मिलेंगे, जो कि Samsung के अपने customized tweaks हैं. Now, if we talk about the battery, the Galaxy M40 has a 3500 mAh battery, and इसमें आपको मिलता है एक 15 watt का Type-C charger. Charging this phone from 0 to 100% takes about 2 hours, and आपको एक full charge पे phone आराम से पूरा दिन last करता है. Overall, this is a great phone. You get decent camera performance, you get a good display, great design, and a very good chipset and RAM combination over here.